So in this video, I wanted to go over the most frequently asked question, which is how to create a button that will take you to the data source. So here we have our names that come up within our search. And what the people would like to do is have a button that you click and then it takes you all the way over here right to the name. So how we do that is pretty simple actually. It's really easy. There's only 2 or 3 steps. I probably should have thought of it earlier. I mean, it's so easy and makes a lot of sense. So I'll show you how we do that. We're going to use a little bit of VBA. So I'm just going to go equals match. I'm creating a reference here. My lookup value is going to be 1. My lookup array is going to be data A through A. And my match type is going to be 0. I'll go ahead and highlight that and make it an absolute reference. Hit enter. Gives me 380, which is perfect, right? Because that's exactly where Anderson sits. So the next thing I'm going to do is convert this to a reference. So I'm going to make my sheet name, put it in quotes, data, exclamation point to tell Excel that we're talking about a sheet. Actually, I'm going to put C because the name sits in the C column. And then outside of the quotation, I'm going to use an ampersand to join the string with the formula. Hit enter, data C380. I'm going to use this in my name manager, so I'm going to actually go ahead and copy this. Control F3, a new named range, and I'm going to call it data fetch. I'm going to go to the refers to box and go equals indirect, open quotes, paste my formula in, close quote. And if I click into here, it should take me. So there it is, highlighting Anderson. Okay, so once we've got done testing this out and this works, we can actually go into our Visual Basic Editor by hitting Alt F11. And then you're going to find in your project viewer, which should be on your left side. If it's not, you can go View and then go Project Explorer right here, Control R. So I think what you can do is click into here, go Insert Module, and then what we're going to do is called Sub Fetch Data. And then all you have to do is refer back to what we called this. So we called this data fetch, so I'm going to go back into my visual, let's call it fetch record. And I'm just going to write an application dot go to and then data fetch, and that should work. I'm going to save it. And you're probably going to have to save this as, not probably, you're going to have to save this as an XLSM file or a macro enabled workbook. So it'll look a little bit different than your other workbooks if you haven't made a macro before. Then what I can do is test it, see if it works, go view macros, run, there you go. And I think another cool thing would be to do is to maybe create a little picture here. I mean, you can color it whatever you want. It's going to type in, go to record, format a little bit. And what you can do is right click it and go assign macro and then hit our macro name manager comes up and then you hit fetch record. Click OK. Now you click this button and it takes you right to where the record is. So if I type in Alexander and I want to go to him, go to record. There he is, right there, row 303. Oh, Dominic. Okay. Let's see if Dominic will come up. And by the way, this only works for the first record. So we searched 1. However, if you wanted to set up multiple of these, you could do the same exact thing as we did, but with a match formula looking for 2. So there's Dominic. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. You can email me at xlsxgeek@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.